Tonight, we're trying out the viral crack burger recipe. It is pretty damn simple. You're gonna take Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, season your burger patties. Then you're gonna make a mixture of cheese and mayo and bacon bits. With a bonus for watching this video, I'm gonna show you how to take thick burgers and make them juicy, even when you're cooking them on a grill. A lot of times they can dry out. If you do them wrong, I'm gonna show you how to avoid that. From what I've read on the internet, they're delicious. We're gonna try them out tonight. We are gonna get our burgers ready. On both sides, we are going to sprinkle Hidden Valley Ranch, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Flip them. Do the same thing. As you'll see, I've got some pretty thick burgers. I'm making a little divot in the middle. It's gonna help ensure the burgers stay flat when they cook. And I'm gonna show you how to make big, thick burgers like this stay juicy on the grill. It's really not that hard, it just takes a little patience. So we will get these on the grill in a second, and I'll kind of show you how I have my grill set up. You can do it with a gas grill, charcoal grill, Traeger, whatever you got. Open fire. I'm using a Weber. All right. So the secret to juicy burgers on the grill is so easy. We're gonna start on this cold side. I'm guessing you can see, but there are no coals over here. Coals all over here, no coals here. So I'm gonna cook the coals on the cold side till the burger reaches around 110, 115, and then I'll move it over to the hot side and kind of sear it on both sides. And that's it. But it does take longer, and you need room to do kind of this. This is what they call a two-zone grill. All that means is hot on one side, not so hot on the other. I do a complete split. I don't need any coals over there. I got all the coals there. Let's get started. Use a spatula. I've already greased my grill grates, so I'm not worried about that. But I'm just setting these guys on the cold side of the grill. And it's pretty hot. So I'm gonna keep them as far from the fire right now as I can. But you can kind of hold your hand over the grill. If you can't put your hand there for a second, well, that's pretty hot. So I could either do this covered or uncovered. That's kind of up to you. I'm gonna cover it, and I've got my holes on the Weber kind of cut off, so it's gonna kill the fire a little bit. Should slow down the cooking. All right, just gonna check on these. It's been about 5 minutes. Depending on your fire, how hot it is, you may want to flip them. What I'm gonna do. As you can see, really soft. Clearly not ready. Still, this fire is very hot, so I'm gonna keep the burgers away from it. And I'll probably check it in another 5 minutes. We're making our mayo topping. We're gonna put about a 1/4 cup of mayo in this bowl. I'm not measuring it, but you can. About a cup of cheese. This is bacon bits from 3 strips of bacon. I cooked it in the microwave. Super easy. I'm not getting the whole pan dirty just to make bacon bits. Put them in there, and I'm gonna mix it all together. There we go. Looks a bit like pimento cheese. All right, get a temperature on these burgers. I never cease to be impressed by the Weber grill and how hot it can get. I've tried a lot of different types of grills over the years, and I always come back to the Weber. All right, we're good. We're gonna finish these on the hot side of the grill. They're not gonna stay here very long. I'm gonna get them seared, and I'm gonna get it back over to the cold side of the grill. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna get the buns toasted up so we can finish these burgers. Just gonna butter the insides. You've got melted butter. It's gonna make it even easier. Our buns are ready. We'll get them on the grill in a sec. We don't really want that flame up. It looks cool in the video. How hot. But too much of that flame up is not gonna taste good, and it's gonna burn the burger. Get those burgers off the heat. They seem to be plenty done. Sorry, we're downtown Denver. There's a lot going on. Apologize for the noise. That looks great. I'm gonna move these over here. Be smarter than I am. Use a glove or something. This grill is really hot. Ooh. See, this guy's got nothing. That's what you learn about cooking over fire. It is inconsistent, and you got to learn where your hot spots are. Done. Make sure that doesn't start on fire. All right, so I'm gonna put the burgers on the buns and put on the cheese mixture. There. The video said it would melt. I have no doubt in my mind that this fire will not melt this cheese. And then I'm gonna put the lid on. Put some of this. Blue, get out of there. All right. The burgers actually turned out pretty good. That Hidden Valley Ranch is full of MSG, so whatever you put it on is gonna taste good. I think the key though is cooking these burgers slow and low. That's what you gotta do when you have a thick burger, and then you finish it on the hot side of the grill. That's the way to end up with a flavorful, juicy burger instead of a dry hockey ball.